At first glance, a salt marsh might just look like a soggy patch of grass by the sea, but beneath the surface, it's one of the most productive and important ecosystems on Earth. A quiet powerhouse of biodiversity, carbon capture, and natural coastal protection. Hi, my name is Imogen Bentley.
And my name's James Horan.
We are the Salt Marsh and Sand Dune Officers for Wilder Humber.
Salt marshes form in calm, sheltered places like estuaries where the sea drops fine sediments that build up into mudflats. Over time, these flats are colonised by a tough, salt-loving group of plants called halophytes. They're the first signs of transformation, turning bare mud into a thriving coastal wetland.
One of the first to arrive is cordgrass, paving the way for species like sea aster, whose flowers are not only beautiful, but essential food for the rare sea aster mining bee.
Salt marshes are nurseries for young fish and crustaceans, nesting sites for internationally important birds, and shelter for a huge variety of species. But their work doesn't stop there. The dense vegetation helps trap sediment, purifies water, and slows down tidal energy, reducing wave height by up to 60% during storms. That means salt marshes help protect our coasts from erosion and flooding.
And deep in their muddy soils, they can quietly lock away carbon, making them powerful allies in the fight against climate change.
But this vital habitat is under threat. Urban development, pollution and coastal squeeze, where rising seas meet fixed sea defences, are shrinking salt marshes across the UK.
That's why we're enriching salt marsh and sand dunes here at Horseshoe Point in Lincolnshire as part of the Wilder Humber project.
We're collecting seeds from key native plants like cordgrass and sea aster and growing them in a dedicated salt marsh nursery. These plants will be reintroduced to help nature bounce back.
By enriching this coastal fringe, we're rebuilding a living sea defence line, boosting biodiversity, improving water quality and strengthening the coast for the future.
Hidden in the tides and rooted in the mud, salt marshes may be easy to overlook, but they are working hard to keep our estuaries wild, resilient and alive.